In this video, you're going to learn how to find the wildcard. The question will look something like this, and here are the steps. You find the subnet mask on the chart. So in this case, it's 248. So we go down to 248, and we note the block size. The block size is 8. Find the block size and subtract 1 and replace the subnet. So 8 minus 1 is 7. Now turn all the 255s into 0. So it'd be 0, 0, 0. And this is the wild card. If there was a 0 here, we would change it to 255. But there's not one. So this is the wild card. Let's go to the next example. Here's the IP address and subnet mask. So we find the subnet mask on the chart, 248. And the block size is 8. We minus 1. And we replace the interesting octet, which is 7. And now we just reverse all the numbers. Turn 255s into zeros, 0.0. And then for zeros, we turn it into 255. And this is the wild card. The next example, we find the subnet mask on the chart, 248. And we note the block size, which is 8. We minus 1, which is 7. And we replace the interesting octet. So that would be 7 here. And then we turn 255s into 0. And we turn zeros into 255s. And that is the wild card. A fine example, we will start from scratch. So we have to find the subnet mask, which is cedar. So it's closest to 16. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's this one. So it's 255, 255, 240.0. And now we find the wild card. So the block size is 16. So we minus 1 is 15. So we replace this one. And then we turn zeros into 255. We turn 255s into zeros. And that is the wild card. It's really simple once you get the hang of it. See you in the next video.